Why, hello there. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few DIY projects that you can do before your date night to get your skin glowing, get it nice and luscious, get those lips popping, and have you out here smelling like a snack. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So the first DIY hack that we're going to do is a green tea sheet mask. So you'll need green tea bags, cotton sheet masks, aloe vera gel, and chamomile essential oil. To some boiling hot distilled water, you're going to put about 2 to 3 tea bags in there. You're going to let it steep for about 15 minutes or so. Realistically, you only need a tablespoon of green tea, so you can use this extra tea to sip on while you get ready for your date, you know. So to that tea, you're going to put a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now, combined with the anti-aging properties of the green tea, the aloe vera gel is going to keep you nice and hydrated. And when you put the 1 to 2 drops of chamomile in there, it's going to help calm your skin and reduce redness. Now, who doesn't want that, okay? So, next step is to put the cotton sheet mask into your liquid. And the ones that I got off of Amazon for like a pack of 100, $10. Listen, honey, that's a steal. So you let that sit in the tea for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's fully absorbed. Then you want to unwrap it, squeeze out the liquid. You don't want it to be too dry, but you don't want it to be soaking wet either. So you just take it out, unroll it, you put it on your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You sit back and relax and sip that tea, darling. And your skin is going to be looking so good afterwards. So next up in the lineup is Hibiscus Vitamin C Toner. So you're going to use Hibiscus Tea Bags, Vitamin C Powder, Witch Hazel, and Essential Oil is optional. To about 6 ounces of water. I did double the amount because I wanted some tea. You just let your tea steep for about 15 minutes. And to that, you're going to add about 1 ounce of Witch Hazel. And then you're going to add a teaspoon of vitamin C powder. Now, this is important because vitamin C powder can be irritating to some. You want to make sure that you don't go over a teaspoon. But for an 8-ounce bottle like the one I'm using, that's perfect. Now, this tea and this toner is great for you because this is another anti-aging toner full of antioxidants. You know, vitamin C helps to fight off free radicals. Hibiscus tea is a natural exfoliator, so your skin is going to be left smooth, glowing, luscious, luminous. And for your date night, your date's going to be like, oh my God, you're glowing. You're like, I know, because it's my hibiscus toner. So you pat that in the skin and then you're good to go. Now you can put your makeup on and get fierce, darling. So now we're about to get our body glowing. We're about to be shining, 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 yeah. So for this lotion, you'll need almond oil, aloe vera gel, and highlighter or mica powder of your choice. Now to an 8-ounce bottle, you're going to mix about 5 ounces of aloe vera gel to about 1 ounce of almond oil. The consistency is more up to you. This is my preferred consistency because I wanted to get the shimmery glow without the oily residue. And I find that this concoction is perfect. I get the hydrating nature of the aloe vera and the nice sheen from the almond oil. I like to mix up my base first to get that right, and then I go back in with my powders. I like to use mica powders because I'm not trying to mess up my bronzers, okay? And you can add as much or as little as you want. If you want to be out here looking like a disco ball, you knock yourself out. So once you have it mixed up, I mean, pretty much this is self-explanatory, baby. You rub it in, and your skin is instantly luminous, glowing. We're out here looking like a disco ball. I'm here for it. Alright, so this hack is short and sweet. So after you've layered on all your body oils and lotions, you want to spray your fragrance on top of that because it has something to stick to and it's going to last a lot longer than it would on your bare skin. Now also, I'm about to put y'all up on some game, okay? If y'all like to experiment and try different fragrances, but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars each time, you got to check out ScentBird, okay? ScentBird is a monthly subscription service where you get to date different fragrances, which is a very appropriate for this video. You get to date different fragrances. You've got your choice of over 600 top-notch brands like Gucci, Prada, Marc Jacobs, Oscar de la Renta, all of that for $15 a month, and you get these 30-day vials which give you 140 sprays, which if you think about it is a lot. So you definitely need to check them out. If you're obsessed with fragrance like me, it's going to save you so much money. Now that's a hack in itself, okay? Alright, so this last hack is short and sweet. So it's my brown sugar lip scrub. So you're going to use brown sugar, honey, olive oil or coconut oil, and some cinnamon. Now you don't have to use 2 jars. I don't like to mix wet and dry ingredients at the same time, so I do it differently. So in 1 jar, you want to do a tablespoon of brown sugar to a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can do a teaspoon of both olive oil and honey. Now, I don't need to tell you how to scrub your lips. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I think you know how to do that. But what I will do is tell you what it's going to do for you. So, obviously the scrubbing motion is going to create blood flow to your lips, as well as the heating of the cinnamon. It's going to promote a nice plump pout. You're going to exfoliate all that dead skin. So for your date, everything is nice and plump, smooth, and kissable. You wipe it off, you put your lip gloss on, and you're popping, baby. Your lips is luscious, your skin is glowing, you're smelling good, looking good. You're ready for your date. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the hacks. If you do, let me know down below, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.